Poppy, let's stay. Bark box stay. Yeah, get it. Molly, come on. Bark box. Now let me open it up. That's it. That's it. Okay, that's it. Wait. That's it. Come on. Wait, Molly. Alright, so yeah, bark box. Alright, you ready? That's it. That's it. Now wait. Now wait. Okay, open it up. Alright. You're a good girl. Wait, I'm gonna get it. One open. Alright. 1, 2, 3. There it is. Bark box. Twice. What's we got? Okay. Let's see what it is. There you go. Hold on. Go. Go that one. Alright. This is Yeehaw Nashville bark box for June 2024. And Poppy, we got a boot scooby boogie boot toy. Okay, what's the other toy? As I see it. And the bundle is a hot licking chicken thing. Chicken sandwich. And we got Baba jerky lamb treats. And we got Wakey Loops bacon and cheese treats. And then we got another bag of fruit and veggies by Bark Box. And this goes on the food. Really nice. Yummy. Hey, who wants a treat? That's it. Alright, y'all sit. Sit. Oh, hope y'all sit. Sit. Oh, sit. Sit. I'll sit and wait. Alright. Here we go. One for you. One for you. Probably like that too. You got a Baba jerky bars. Yeah, that's the turkey bars. That's it. That's it. Keep on. Hold in. Go. Lamb. Lamb. You got paw? Okay. You got paw? Okay. You like the lamb? Baba lamb turkey strip. Good. Superfood meal toppers. Again, this is looks like a chicken sandwich thing. It is. And a boot. That's for Yeehaw Nashville bark box for June 2024. Alright, so let's get along, little doggy. Poppy and I for Bark Box 2024, June 24.